Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Neeraj Netra. In today's video, we are going to discuss what if all galaxies in the local group collide. This is my own theory, so hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So without further delay, let's begin the video. Okay, so first to know what happens if the galaxies collide, we need to know about the local group. So, local group is a group of galaxies in which our very own galaxy, the Milky Way, exists along with many others. There are about 18 known galaxies, around 80 in fact, in the local group. The major members of the group are Milky Way galaxy, Andromeda galaxy and the Triangulum galaxy. Now, I'll just show you an image of the local group. So, here we go. As you can see, there are Milky Way, Triangulum and Andromeda galaxies, and the other patches of light in the picture are other galaxies. They are dwarf galaxies, that is, they aren't large enough and the names aren't displayed in this picture. Alright, so now to the next topic of this video. What if all of these galaxies collide? Already the two largest members, that is Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy, are on a collision course. They will collide eventually. Eventually means not like a few years, few billions of years. So, but what will happen if other galaxies decide to join the collision party? Let's find out. This is an image of two galaxies colliding. I am not sure which two galaxies, since in the picture it isn't displayed. Now that you have an idea how colliding galaxies shall look, let's move on. How this may happen? What might be the causes? First, massive stars might explode. Huge stars will explode, create black holes. So many black holes will attract everything together. The stars shall be swallowed. This would basically create an imbalance. This imbalance will cause our galaxies to collide. So this is the picture of an exploding star. Okay. So what might be the outcome of such a gigantic collision? First, there are four possibilities I can think of. First, all the galaxies merge after this intergalactic chaos and create a gargantuan galaxy. However, for example's sake, galaxies like the Milky Way will lose some of their size and yet merge with other galaxies. Okay, now the second possibility I can think of is that the dwarf galaxies are destroyed. Again, there will be some size point, galaxies smaller than it will be destroyed and the giant galaxies larger than it shall merge. I think this is the most likely outcome if this happens. 3. All galaxies are destroyed. I don't think this is very likely, but the black holes will collide, larger black holes are created, many stars are destroyed in the chaos, everything shall happen. But since the black holes get large, they will also consume something, and to put this in perspective, the nearest star to our sun is 4.2 light years away. Due to such ginormous distances, stars won't be destroyed, and I think it will turn into a small galaxy if the third outcome. This will not happen, but just theory. Alright. Now, dwarf galaxies are destroyed. The surviving galaxies don't merge and lose giant portions of their size. Okay, so the possibilities according to the first one, the galaxies will lose size and merge. The second one states that small ones are destroyed, large ones shall merge. The third one states that all are destroyed, which will be less likely because of the explanation I just gave prior to this. And dwarf galaxies are 90% sure that they will be destroyed and others shall survive without merging. Out of all this, I think that the most likely one is the second one. Alright guys, thank you for listening to me, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also check out regularly on my channel so that you can see my new videos. Okay guys, thank you and bye. Once again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Neeraj Netra.